PC, welcome back. Today we got a review. Got the Arrma Quake 2 to 3S. We do an unboxing. Main hobby stickers. Okay, nice receiver. Okay, something I noticed, guys, that they putting the Quake symbol on there, so that's sweet. That's sweet. Like the batteries go on the bottom, like AA, 4AA. Okay, nice receiver. It feels smooth too. Feel real smooth. Oh yeah, I got the red and black, as you can see, the red and gunmetal gray it look like with the black. And suspension feel real good. I don't even think I'm gonna mess with it. Oh, man, this is sweet. Oh, it is. It's a clip for the back too. Okay, so that's sweet. Got the clip body on there. Arrma Quake body. Real sweet, man. Real sweet. And this is a 1/10 scale, 2 to 3S. Nice, man. It's definitely a nice unit. 4,000 kV in here. Brushless. And this is capable of 3S, guys. Rear wheel drive. The tires feel real good too. They feel pretty, not too squishy, but just enough compression. Okay, also notice that we came with some tools here. Check this out. Okay, we came with some hex wrenches, okay. Little hex screwdrivers, can't go wrong with those. You know, these are pretty nice too. That's nice. Come with your batteries for your receiver. Also some tools for the suspension, and also some suspension spacers if you want to stiffen the suspension up, guys. This is really nice, really nice. Come with everything, nice. And of course you got your manual. So far, guys, this is a nice unit. This is a nice unit. Can't go wrong. $270, maybe $3 out the door for shipping with the tariffs. Man, all I can say, guys, is go get you one, man. This is a nice unit.
Eat. Going Willie's and on 2
It's Titan RC. Peace out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.